Good morning. Here's my kitty Frady cat and his new toy made with a kite and a little stuffed animal. Handmade! Don't we just love handmade stuff? It's so much easier than spending cash on a silly toy when you can use a little stuffed animal and kite string. Yeah, you're born this morning, kitty. Oh. Yep, still born. Got cat food on your floor. Get it, kitty. Yeah! Now that's gonna hit the videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, you're a weird kitty. Bye bye. Kitty disappeared. There he is. I love it when he plays, when he's in the mood.
Cheap cat toy.
A cheap cat toy. See, our toy was handmade. I think that was the cheapest. Oh no, something that has to do with tinfoil. See what he does. Right now this cat is born. He threw a tinfoil ball onto the floor and the cat's like, what am I supposed to do with this? That's not interesting, Kitty says. As Kitty sits there and says, what a fool. Thanks for the tinfoil ball, which I'm not going to play with because it's not interesting and it doesn't smell interesting. Oh, there I go. Nope, not interested. Don't want it.
Maybe he's just not interested in playing at all. Period.
Here, let's pet him. Let's pet him. Let's pet him. Give him some lovin's. Give him some lovin's this morning. Say, YouTube, I love you, YouTube. Say good morning. You gonna meow? You meowed at me all morning. Woke me up. Meowing. And now you don't want to meow. Slapping. You attacked the fridge instead of me, you goof. Oh well. Bye bye everybody. See you in my next video. Hi, good afternoon. Getting ready to do some chores around the house and feed the kiddos some lunchos. And then after that, I don't know, probably play my video game or I don't know yet then. Just probably play my video game and hang out with the kiddos. They have vacation this week, so it's gonna be a long week. At least feel like a long week. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day today. Comment, let me know how your day's going. And I'll tell you how, well, you already know how my day's going. It's long. It's going to feel long because there's going to be a lot of cleaning to do. Well, not so much a lot, but a decent size of amount. And mess with the cat some more, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Probably play my game. I'm thinking of making a new channel for the game, playing the game I love to play, and that's sim games. I love sim games, and yeah. So I might do that. Might. I don't know yet. Comment if you think I should. Alright. See you soon. Bye.